show you how to play Sittin on the Dock of the Bay by Otis. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. We're in the key of G, and we start off with the intro, which is just G, G, D, D, G, G, D, D. You do 4 of those, just an open fifth on G. And then we come in with the melody. Now the melody is just going to be on that G also. G, 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 B. B, B, C, 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 B, B flat A. G, 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 A, G, B. B, B, C, 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 D, B, A. In the chorus, E, G, 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 A. B, 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 E, D, G, B, A, G, A. E, E, G, 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 E, G, 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 A, G, E, G, B, A, G, E. And there you have the verse and the chorus for the melody right there. Now the left hand is G, G, A, B flat, B. And then when you hit this B, we're going to fill with this D sharp and F sharp. So you got to come off of that G, G, A, B flat with the little finger so that you're ready for that to fill out the B chord. Then we go C, C, B, B flat, A, C sharp and E. Fill out the chord, the A chord. G, G, A, B flat, B. Do it again. C, C, B, B flat, A, C sharp and E. And then the chorus is just. So you're just going to go back and forth between G, D, E, B, G, D, E, B. So it's a G chord and an E minor chord. G chord, E minor chord, but all we're going to play is the open fifth. We're going to leave that third out. So you've got the intro. In seconds, you have that intro. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. So, G, 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 A, G, B. You got to hold that A while you play 2 notes down here. So the 2 notes, G, A, and then the G goes with the B flat, and then the B. Now this isn't so bad because every note is the same. C, B, B flat, A in both hands. So you're going to have to practice that. Just practice it hands separately till you get that left hand so it works. Once you get that, the right hand will go with it. Now the way I would finger that is I would go G, G, A, B flat, little finger, ring finger, middle finger, up, and then switch to the little finger, and then have these 2 fingers for the chord, then C, and I just finger whatever you want to do coming down there, but it works good for me to start on the index finger. But you want to end it again if you can with this little finger so that you're ready for this chord. Now to put it together, I'll go slower. You have 2 notes on the D. 2 notes on the D. And then you have a B and a B flat together, which really sounds harsh if you play them and hold it like that, but you're going so fast it doesn't pick up. The bass is playing it. And then we're ready for the second verse. Now the second verse is just the same, except there are a few differences because of the words are different. So you change just a little bit of the melody. So I left my home in Georgia and you got a home in Georgia. Now that's just like we played earlier. Here's a pickup to the chorus, that A pickup. Now, so I'm just gonna sit, and you hold that G back there. Remember in the chorus we had, this time it, he puts a little ooh right there. Ooh. And then we're ready for the bridge. So that little ooh, G, ooh, you just hit an E, D, and then right back into the melody. Now we go, the bridge is just G, D, C, D, G, D, C in the left hand, G, D, C, G, F, D. So we're just going back with those three notes, and then we throw an F and a D, F and a D right there at the end. But you've got, now the melody is up to this G up here, G, E, G, E, E, D, A, G. E, D, D, A, G, B, A, A, G, G, E, E, D, G, E, D, E, D, B, A, G, F, 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 D, F sharp, D, F sharp. So he hits, so it goes from that to the F sharp. When we go to the D chord. Now if we put those together, it's going to sound like this, and I'm going to go slowly. Go a little slower. Now up to tempo. Into the third verse. Third verse is very similar to what we've already played. You have one note for each note there. So A, G, G, B, and G, A, B, flat, B. Now he changes the melody just a little bit there, and he goes C, 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 B, C. He drops down to a C. A, B, C, 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 B, C, B, B flat A. So those are together. Just like the second verse chorus. And then we're ready for the the whistle tag. Now we're down here, we go up 2 octaves. There's the whistle tag that comes in there, and that's what he plays. And we do it twice. So it's E, G, E, D, B, A, B, A, B, A, G, A, B, A, B, A, G, A, B, D, E. And then I just fade it right here. He fades it a little bit, a few more times, but he kind of just fades it out right there. So in the left hand, we're just going to have G, D, but we're going to go G, G, D, D, G, G, D, with a little pickup to each note. So it's a G, D pedal tones right there, a G chord pedal tone, but we're getting the open fifth out of it. So there it is. I'll go a little slower. Now up to tempo. Up to tempo. Let's come out of the chorus and go right into it. I do there is I just hold that last G. I don't keep it going because we're fading. And then we just let it off. You can slow it down if you want to. There you have it, Sitting on the Dock of the Bay by Otis Redding. It's a fun thing to play. I hope you enjoy it.